right, IB, it's Miss Kosh. I was asked to do this problem on, I think it's on page 211, number 15. We talked about it a little bit on the Zoom, but what happens in this one is that we use what they call the extended rule of sine. And this was suggested by a student. So I Googled it. I Googled law of sine 2r because that's what somebody had said, that there was something. So this website on GeoGebra came up, and they show us a over sine of a equals b over sine of b equals c over sine of c. Well, we know that part to be the law of sine. And then they suggest, okay, see what happens when you drag this so that it's a diameter of the circle. So now what we have here is sine of a is going to be, you know what, hang on just a second. Okay, I don't usually like that on, but sine of a, here's this angle A, is going to be opposite over a hypotenuse. And so then we can say, what is that? Sine of a over little a would be equal to sine of theta over a equals 2r. That's 2r. There's your opposite, there's your... Oh, so, hang on. I come where I can write. All of a sudden, I'm questioning everything I know to be true. Okay, so here was, this was theta, which was a, this was little a, this was 2r. So what did we just say? Sine of a is equal to a over 2r. Oh, okay, sorry, I just couldn't see it on that other screen. 2r sine of a would equal little a, divide both sides by sine of a, so 2r is equal to a over sine of a. I'm not exactly sure if IB just expected you to go Google this, because they don't put this in the book. But here we go. So this is kind of what verifies that this is equal to, I don't know why I wrote r first, 2r. There we go. So there's that. And now we can find, they wanted us to show that the area is equal to ABC over 4r. So we know that, what do we know? We know that the area, oh, we know that I picked the wrong pen. Area is equal to 1/2, well, let's use A. So let's say, okay, it's 1/2 a side times the angle in between them. Okay, so in this case, what we're saying is it's 1/2 BC sine A. And what do we know about sine of A? Well, we know that A over sine of A is equal to 2r. So we could say that A is equal to 2r sine of A. And we could say that sine of A divided by 2r. Sine of A is equal to little a over 2r. Oh, I'm using a capital R. They used a lowercase r. It was fine. Area is equal to, we had this 1/2, we have a B, we have a C, and now sine of A we just said was little a over 2r. And now we just write it the way they wanted us to. I have an A and a B and a C in the numerator, and I have a 2 times 2 is 4, and then there's that R. I was using capital. They use lowercase. We're good to go. I'm not quite sure how you were supposed to do it without the 2R. So that's something I need to think about a little bit more. It is cool, but I'm not sure what to tell you. Sorry. Good luck, you guys. Let me keep thinking about that one. Okay, go practice.